Hey y'all, what is up and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a little try on of some new items I ordered from Ulta. These are all they're all pretty much drugstore items except for the new Fenty concealer. I have the new Milani Cheek Kiss Cream Bronzer. I have another concealer, but I'm pretty sure I'm just going to use this one today. And then I have this new Keep Me Covered Powder Long Wear powder by Essence. I have the shade 30 Light, and I'm realizing that like the pan is like loose and the compact. That's great. And then I have a couple new lip products. The new Slick Click Fat Oil NYX thing, and then this new Milani, I don't know, it's like a kind of like a lip balm, like a tinted lip balm situation. I think that's what this one was. And I also have an LA Girl bronzer, but I really wanted to use the Milani one, so if I use the cream and then if I want to set with a little bit of powder. I think this was a part of like the LA Girl Christmas collection maybe, but I saw it and I really want to try it out. So yeah. I also have a couple things that my husband got me for Christmas from ColourPop. I have a couple blushes. I'm realizing like I don't have any blush items here. And then I also have the Cloud 9 palette from ColourPop. I realize like this is like not new releases, but I might use this stuff. I might not use it and just like not show it on camera since it's not new. But yeah, also, my mom trimmed my hair today. She really didn't trim, she more or less cut my hair for me. And I think it looks really, really good. I'm excited for it. So let me just pull my hair back a little bit and we'll get started, guys. Also, how's the weather been where y'all are at? Because here in Tennessee, we had a snowstorm. And so like for a week, the roads around here have just been absolutely terrible. I haven't even been able to drive my own car. My husband's had to drive me to work in his truck. And our road in front of our house is literally just a sheet of ice. And it's literally like cars, like their wheels have been sliding. And they can't hardly get up this like little hill in our road in front of our house. So the conditions have not been good here. Have y'all had snow where you guys are at? Because we had like 8 inches of snow, and Tennessee workers, or the state, Tennessee state, does not clear roads good at all. And it's just been a disaster trying to get to work. So this week is supposed to warm up to like in the 40s and 50s. So fingers crossed that this snow and ice gets out of here, because we're all just tired of it. I'm worn out with it. Alrighty, so I'm going to let me clip my bangs back. I hope my camera battery lasts enough to get through this video. I'm hoping. I'm going to, I think I'm going to skip the whole primer situation because my skin seems fine. I am going to go in with the Fenty concealer. This is the new, what's this called? We're Even concealer. The packaging on this is really, really cute. It's kind of shaped like the foundation, like this. I can't even think of what the foundation is called. But I'll go ahead and kind of show you guys the doe foot on this. It has a really curved little doe foot on it. There you go. You can see it there. I'm going to just apply this under my eyes. And I'm going to kind of use this as kind of like concealer and foundation, because I don't have a new foundation. And I kind of wanted just to use this concealer and this powder as kind of like, I kind of wanted to use this as like a powder foundation situation, but it's not really a powder foundation. It says it's a silky, lightweight powder texture for a smooth and natural finish. It builds from medium to fuller coverage. Okay, so I will get a little bit of coverage out of this. So I already tried out this Fenty concealer. I did a little YouTube short on it, and I was really shocked at how good a coverage this has. I feel like it is a good medium coverage, and I feel like you could build it up, like if you wanted to. And this concealer actually, after I put it on, I just put it under one eye so I could see how it looked. It actually sets down, so like you wouldn't even have to powder this if you just wanted to put on a little concealer and like some powder blush or something and like do some mascara if you want to do like a one and done like 5-minute look. But like it's already like pretty much set. Like I'm shocked. And like it didn't even crease on my eyes. I'm like really shocked about that. Okay, so I'm gonna go into this Essence powder now, and I'm just gonna use my little powder puff, and I'm just gonna kind of set my whole face with this to kind of like act as a powder foundation, just to kind of see how much coverage I can get out of this. I kind of have been enjoying using pressed powders lately instead of loose powders, because I feel like loose powders, number one, they're so much like messier than pressed powders. I hate how messy loose powders are. So I've been kind of enjoying using pressed ones, just because you just don't get all the powder like all over everything, and that can kind of just get annoying. Oh man, I had this cream bronzer. Oh jeez, I really hate to go in with this cream bronzer or this powder. Do I dare try? I never use cream bronzer over powder, like never. Let me feel the texture of this. It's a pretty good color. I just feel like it won't blend out if I use it on top of powder. Maybe I should use the powder bronzer instead. I think I might. Dang it. I need to go taking all this off just for a bronzer. Okay, here's what the LA Girl one looks like. It's this really pretty like two-colored situation. I figured I'd just kind of mix them together. Okay, I'm just gonna kind of swirl these together and it has been like eons since I've tried out a new bronzer, because last year I felt like I was just using a lot of my Shop My Stash bronzers, and I ended up using up my whole Marc Jacobs bronzer, so I felt like I really didn't try out many new bronzers throughout the year. This one looks really, really good. I like this one a lot. Okay, I'm going to go off camera and do my brows, and maybe I'll put a little bit of eyeshadow on, and then we will come back and try out these lip products. Alrighty, we're back. I did my brows, put on a little eyeshadow, some blush, mascara. I use the new mascara by e.l.f., the Lash Extender, and this one's, it's growing on me. I'm starting to like it a little better now. Okay, I did look up the name of this Milani. This is the Color Fetish Balm Lipstick, and I have mine in the shade Lustful. So I have on just a little bit of chapstick right now. I think I'm going to go in with the Milani one, and then I think I'll go with the NYX one on top. I'm not going to do like no lip liner or nothing, since this is supposed to be like a balm. It has some color, like you can tell like it is a lipstick, but it is a balmy texture, like it's not thick. It's very sheer feeling. I wonder if this has like any nourishing ingredients in it. This is a buildable balm and lipstick in one. Is made with an 85% blend of nourishing oils for next level moisture and shine that glide on effortlessly. Combines the rich hydration of balm, buildable color of a lipstick, and shine of a gloss all in one. Now I can completely agree with that. It feels really nice on the lips. I'm going to go in with the NYX one now. Mine is in the shade 03 No Filter Needed. Now this one does feel a little bit thicker on the lips. I'm going to like swatch this guy. I'm going to swatch this one to kind of see how much color. Okay. The Milani one is here on this side. This is the NYX one. So you can tell, I feel like the NYX one has a little bit more shine, not as much color, and the Milani one has more color and less shine. So there you go. So this is the finished look, y'all. I hope you enjoyed it. I am gonna leave like a pinned comment, since I already know how the concealer wore already, since I did that little short on it. I am gonna kind of leave my thoughts on the products and how I like them. Let me know in the comments down below if y'all have tried out any of these products, if y'all like any of these products. Too bad I completely forgot to use this Milani bronzer, but so far I like how everything applied. I like how everything looks. And yeah, hope y'all enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye guys, thanks for watching.